In a world with millions of YouTubers, one man is on a mission to get a viewer. Hi, welcome to my channel. Do you like learning things?
Well, do you, punk?
You've come to the right place. I'm launching this channel with a series called Master of Nothing. A series where I teach you how to do things that I just learned minutes before writing the script. On today's episode, we are going to learn how to make a trailer for your YouTube channel. And with that being said, I got right to researching using only the most reputable sources. Through that research, I was able to gather 4 super important points that should help you to create captivating and informative content that you can put into your trailer for your YouTube channel. So, let's get into it. Number 1, speak to your intended audience. Think about who the video is for and speak directly to them. For me, I'm making this video for super smart, knowledge-seeking, incredibly beautiful humans, such as yourself.
I've been really trying, baby.
Now, while you're speaking with that audience, you want to make sure that you give them some information about the content that they can expect from you if they click the subscribe button. You know, the one that's right down there. Looks like this. Go ahead, click it. Number 2, be authentic. I'm sure you hear this advice all the time, no matter where you look, and I certainly heard it several times while I was researching for this video. But it is super important to just be yourself.
Remember, be yourself.
Being authentic ensures that you are being engaging and captivating the audience that you carefully scripted your video for. While people may not know or care who you are, they're looking for a reason to watch and to trust you and to trust that you are going to bring them the content that they are looking for. Don't worry too much about editing down what you have to say and your opinions, because the people who want to hear it will watch. Forget about the haters. You weren't talking to them anyway. Number 3, edit your trailer. Now, from what I've learned, it is not essential to create a cinematic masterpiece.
Donkey!
However, you do want it to be clean and polished to a point where it is digestible. Add captions if you can. Use effects that match your style and your brand. Add music and sound effects to captivate your audience and draw them in and keep them engaged. Now, while an interview with yourself talking about your channel and what you intend to make might seem like thrilling content to you, trust me, it definitely is not. And that brings us to our final point that I learned while I was researching for today's video. Keep it short.